Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with an exciting wig unboxing. Today I am going to be doing a hair install from Xrsbeauty. This is some new lace. It's clear lace and I'm gonna share with you guys the differences between clear lace and medium brown. I'm gonna literally spray it on my hairline so you guys can see the difference. But you guys, clear lace, bomb. Like when I say bomb, I mean bomb. I did straighten the hair and I am in love. Briefly share with you guys what comes in the box. So when we open up the box, they give you a bunch of goodies. And personally, I like when companies go out of their way to give you more bang for your buck. So you get a hair comb. The wig itself came in this kind of bag. It's 22 inches and it's 200% density. When I say that this is some thick hair, it's definitely giving 200 density. So this is all of the hair to the front. This is thick, like it's giving 200 density. The length itself is 22 and it's giving like 26. I'm 5'5" and it's going down to my waist. So it's definitely longer than 22 inches. And I personally like when companies give you the actual length. They're not like, oh, I stretched it, you know what I mean? They do give you some hair clips. You get an elastic band in case you do want to make your wig glueless. They also give you a edges brush, wig cap, and a bunch of foam rods. They give you a $50 cash back, so if you are to post it on YouTube, post it on Instagram, tag them, they'll give you $50 back. So that's exciting. Before we get into the wig install, I'm gonna share with you guys the clear lace, brown lace, and transparent lace. The company did send me some different samples, so I'm going to spray this to my hairline so you guys can see the difference, because there's a difference. You guys really need to get the clear lace. Clear lace is lit. So yeah, let's hop straight into the video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
So granted, I really can't see. I don't know if it looks good or not, but this is the transparent. This is the clear lace and this is the medium brown. Personally, I think the clear lace is nicer. It's a little more, just easier to blend into the skin. It's blending more seamless. And to me, it's just really nice. Like I don't have to do much. Like it just looks like skin, you know? Dark brown is a little on the brown side. The transparent, you have to kind of finesse it a lot. The clear lace, it looks really good. It looks really good. you guys, this is how the hair turned out. I am absolutely in love. This clear lace is definitely a game changer. In the beginning, I showed you guys the difference between the clear lace, the transparent lace, and the medium brown lace. And the clear lace is bomb. Normally, I cut the lace off super close to the hairline so you like can't see the lace. This time, I left a bunch of lace. Like right here, you can't see it, but I left a bunch of lace because the lace was so nice. You guys, it's so pretty. I did not pluck the hairline at all. So this is how the hairline came, pre-plucked. It's just so beautiful. I could have put like some sideburns, but I really didn't opt for that. The hair is so beautiful. When I say so beautiful, I mean it's so pleasant. I did bleach the knots. I would highly recommend that you always bleach your knots whenever you're dealing with a human hair wig, because it's easier to bleach the knots when you have the lace already intact. Once you cut the lace off and then try to bleach the knots, it's kind of a hassle. So bleaching your knots is going to 110% give you a super just natural look. One of the homegirls, she said that she likes closure wigs, and I feel you. I really like lace frontals. I don't feel like lace frontals are so like hard. Just like step into the water. I have a bunch of glueless wig installs, so definitely try the glueless wig installs before gluing it down. There was a point in time in my life where I wasn't really confident with gluing it down, and sometimes I still get nervous when I glue it down with actual glue. But you guys, this wig is so bomb. The natural texture is like a loose wave, but or more like a body wave, but I decided to straighten the hair because I haven't had like sleek hair in a minute. Let me show you guys standing up. This is how long the hair is. I think it's like what, 22? Bad boy is long. So you guys, this is how long the hair is. When it came to actually straightening the hair, it did take a few passes for me to get it like straight. On the side, the parting space is about this thick. If you guys are interested in, you know, side parts, a beefy part, like that bad boy is really long. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share with you guys how the hair turned out. The wig itself, super bomb. I love it. I haven't experienced any tangling. When I was washing the hair and bleaching the knots, I didn't have any shedding, which is amazing, because if I was going to experience some shedding, it would be during the time of coloring the hair, bleaching the hair. And when I say this wig took so well to the bleach, I normally leave the bleach on for about 30 minutes. This time I took it off in like 15 because I was like, oh my gosh, like it's really getting light. So if I wanted to bleach this hair blonde, I feel like it would take really well because it's like virgin hair. But you guys, I literally can't keep my hands out of it. I keep going from tucking it behind my ear to leaving it out. It's just super cute. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.